Oh geez, it's dusty. It's pretty dry out here. Hey, what's up guys? Just got done with football practice and now I'm gonna take the grain cart out. We actually switched to beans, so exciting. Beans are finally dry enough to combine. Our nice door situation here, since I guess Willie's fix didn't really help, but we'll figure it out. Oh yeah, quality. Nice dry day. Another dry day today we had. So everything's drying out pretty nice. Like I said, we got a lot of rain last week, so beans are finally dry. Just made it back. Make it back to the field here, and perfect timing. Paul's pretty full right now, so we'll catch him coming back to the north.
Did you copy that? I will work on that here in a second.
That stuff is pretty dry because all that dust coming out the back, so that's good stuff. Good to see. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Agna Brawlers. Just got home from football team bonding and gonna go take a truck out to the guys and then take over for Gene in the grain cart. So here we go. All right, Gene just put 60,000 pounds in that cart, in that semi. He's gonna head home. He told me it takes a while with beans. It takes about three to four times as longer than corn does. So I'm gonna head out and pick up Paul right now with the grain cart so he can unload on me, and we'll catch you guys later. So most of the time what you see is on oh geez, it's dusty. It's pretty dry out here. That's a good thing though. I could barely see when I was driving in here. It's pretty dusty, but that's a good thing though. You want the beans to be dry when you take them out. You don't want to get
kind of small loads, but I don't think I can make 2 rounds yet.
All right, yeah, that's fine.
I have to go down along this fence and I'll come back. I can't see it coming this way. It's too dusty.
So I just shined some light from my tractor onto the beans so that he could see better. And it looks like he found them. Now he's gonna take that fence line all the way up, do the end rows there so that we can get this stuff on later. They look like they've caught a little bit of wind. They're a little bit droopy, but still have a lot of bean pods on them. We would like to get those beans out a little bit earlier, but in the year, but It's just been so wet, and like I said before, those beans just soak in all that moisture so that they're really mushy, so we don't like to put them through the combine when they're squishy. You like to combine them when they're dry. Usually you can test that by taking a little bean pod, taking a soybean out and putting it in your mouth and try to bite on it. If it's crunchy, you're usually good to go, but if they're soft and chewy, makes it really hard to combine them. So we like to stay away from the wet beans and more on the dry beans. And luckily we got a dry spell here this week, so we're gonna get as much beans as we can out until it rains again, and then we gotta go back to corn. I think I'll pick up Paul at the end here, and then we can dump another time. Well guys, that wraps it up for tonight. I gotta head home, I gotta get to bed. I got a football game tomorrow, get some shut-eye, hit the hay, you know what I mean. We just got done filling the red truck. Paul's gonna finish filling this grain cart. He's just gonna have to come over and dump into it. I'm not gonna be here to go get him every time, so he's gonna have to dump in here by himself. He's gonna fill the grain cart up. I'm gonna take the service truck home and call her a night. So I think Thursday night tonight, so over the weekend, I think we'll be marching pretty hard.